This is a beginner-friendly twist braid tutorial. So if you want to learn how you can twist braid, I compiled 3 different methods you can twist braid. So the first method is twisting from the root. So just watch this video and see how it is done. First of all, you just get your extension, the size of the extension you want, and you're going to start twisting, like rolling one part of the hair on this extension. Like you're going to divide the hair into 2 parts and start rolling. You will roll and roll until you're able to hold something there. It's kind of hard and the hair is well rolled into it. Then you roll the second part as well. So when you roll the second part as well, the next thing is to twist it together. As you can see in the video, twist it together, twist. Try and ensure that it is strong or hard. I don't know how to put it. It's either hard or strong, so it will be twisted a little. Don't make it flat. You see the way I rolled it, it kind of has weight and it's hard. So you continue twisting. That is how to do it. Don't make it flat. Make sure it has that rolled form, so you continue twisting like that. To ensure this video is not too long for you, I decided not to twist it to the end on camera, so I did that off camera. So if any part you don't see me twisting, I think you should be able to learn this from the up part because it's still the same thing. But I want to also tell you, if you want your twisting to be very neat, or any of your braiding, make sure you twist to the last tip till you're unable to hold any strand of hair. Twist to the last so it doesn't get spongy at the end of the day. So I'm repeating this method for the second time so you'll be able to learn properly. So as you can see, just divide your hair into 2. Twist one part, like roll it until the hair is well rolled into the extension. Then roll the other second part, roll and roll, and join these two together. Join these two together afterwards and start twisting. So this twisting method, that rolling will make it easier for it to twist. Note that if your extension is not rolled and you start twisting, it will give it that flat kind of feel, and if it's flat, it's not going to hold. So I didn't make this video to be fast, so you can be able to learn something reasonable from it. The video is as slow as possible for every beginner. I know this is a beginner friendly tutorial, and I decided to make the pace slow so you can pick everything just like you're learning physically. So this is the second method, and the second method I use the tying method. So if you don't know how to secure your braid from the beginning, then this tying method should be okay for you. You can start with this method. You also get similar results. So what I do after tying to the length I want to, then I just attach the part I use for tying to one side of the braid, on one side of the extension. I don't divide it into 2, just one side, and I continue twisting. So I did this twisting method twice, so you'll be able to see how I did it in case you didn't get the first one very well. Then the second one should be clear. For this last one, you start it like the boss braid pattern. The first thing first is to divide the hair into 3 parts. Then you start braiding. And when you start braiding, one part of the hair, you hold it for one side of the extension, and the second side and the third side. That is why it's divided into 3. So guys, did you find this video helpful? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.